Hello everyone, welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Wednesday, May the 12th, 2010. Well, a continuation of the trend in the first time frame today. And we have a candle that's making a higher high and a higher low, so the prior first time frame uptrend remains in force. Yesterday we had a doji type candle which denoted a lot of indecision in this market and a failure to close outside of the top of the cloud, and it offered potential for a reversal. Now, there is a requirement that we have evidence of a reversal after that type of candle, and evidence would be a lower high and a lower low. That didn't happen. The low of the previous candle wasn't taken out, and the market continued trending up on its way with a solid bullish close up above the top of the cloud. Now, with this candle, it's a fairly large green-bodied candle, and certainly not as large as the candle from 2 trading periods ago, but still relatively large when compared to the previous trading day. And it denotes that the buyers are keen, they're in control, and they're showing some commitment to taking this market higher now. So there is potential for this market to continue to the upside. The fact that we've had the solid bullish close up above the cloud now also was quite important, and it's telling us that the market is once again bullish in that longer term time frame, so there is potential for the market to test some of these resistance areas up above. Now, the first area that the market will interact with is the 1179 area. That was previous resistance and then support, so that's quite a big area for this market to trade through, and if it trades through there, then it could certainly test the 1200 region and up above there around 1220 at the major swing high up around this region. Now, the market is trading up above the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen, which means that in the fast and medium term time frames the market has a positive bias, or it's bullish, but we haven't had a crossover of the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen. They crossed a few periods ago when the market sold off quite heavily, but the crossover hasn't come back yet, so the Tenkan Sen remains below the Kijun Sen, which is bearish. So we have a slightly conflicting signal here. Also, if we look at the cloud here, which is extended forward, that crossed over to give us a bearish signal a few periods ago. So that certainly isn't bullish at the moment. And then if we look at the Chiku span here, that is actually below the price action from 26 periods ago. So that is suggesting that the market isn't totally bullish yet. So we're getting some conflicting signals. The problem with some of these indicators, though, is that there is a lag. They're not perfect, that they do behave a little bit like moving averages, where there is a bit of a lag in them. They don't pick up quite as quickly as they should. Even looking at the Tenkan Sen, that is pointing down slightly, and it's not reflecting the strong upside momentum that the market has at the moment. And that's basically because we had such a strong sell-off in this market prior, that the strong data points to the downside are still having their influence on the current calculation of these indicators. But just looking at the short-term dynamics and breakout above the cloud, the market is looking bullish, but we do need to be quite careful with still what some of these other indicators are telling us.